Oh, he loves his belly rubs. Belly rub, belly rub. Hot chip, hot chip. That's the boy. That's my boy. Ooh, ooh.
All right, welcome back to the channel with Paradox the Rapper. Today we got new boxes in the yard and the Audi. So you guys have been asking, well, why haven't you tricked out the Audi or modded or wrapped it or whatever? Today is the day, okay? So these boxes are stuff for the Audi, and we got Michelle right here. She's gonna open it up and see what the first mods for her Audi is. The stuff to do this car, it's so expensive, so we're gonna take it one step at a time, but this is gonna be a major, major upgrade. So let's check it out.
Okay, there she goes. She's playing with all the animals.
Playing with Bella, she's shedding right now really bad. And I was trying to help her along with that.
All right, honey.
Okay.
What's in the box?
I'm so excited.
What you got?
I got new wheels.
Wheels!
Yes.
Hell yeah, let's go.
I picked them out myself. It took forever. They're not exactly what I want.
You know what? You guys know what she wants? She wants the Workmeisters 3-piece with the rose gold. Oh, what's that? What do you think?
You know, it's so hard. It's so hard to tell when they're not on the car. I like them. No, I like them. But here's the thing.
What?
The end cap on the Audi wheels. I miss those.
You don't want the stock ones anyways.
I don't know. I saw the Audi in Tahoe that had them, and I was.
But these are ugly. These are wider. Look at them. Look at them.
No, I know.
All right, let's go. Look.
But I don't know.
I can polish all that out.
Where's that?
These are used wheels.
Yeah, I know.
Used. Still expensive, but used. But look at that fat lip. The fat lip on it. The important thing about these wheels, these are Lowenharts. Lowenharts, 20 inches. So there's plenty of 20-inch wheels that we could have gotten. But the important thing about these ones is that it's a 5x112, which fits the Audi, and it's a 5x114.3 that can go on her 350Z when she gets it. Right, honey?
Yes.
So she likes the 350Z. So eventually we're gonna get her one.
Better.
What?
But I like the Audi better.
Yeah, but you need a drift car. That's not that one.
Oh.
That one's broken.
No, yours is broken.
Yeah. So we got a tandem. But these will fit her 350Z, and it's gonna be sick. All right, let's go get tires on these bad boys. Oh, look at that. Okay, so this is these wheels are from 3piece.us. It's not, they aren't sponsoring this episode because we did have to pay regular price for them, but they were like $13.99, $1,399 after tax and shipping and all that stuff. It was like $1,600 something. But we put it on credit, so we're making payments. That's all we need to do. $100 something a month, we're good. But yeah, they're very responsive and kind of nice people to work with. So let's go get tires on this and mount them right now. What do you think, honey? Huh?
Yes.
Yes? All right, let's go. All right, so we went to the tire shop. Turns out that these brakes are too big. So because the big brakes don't fit, now I got the kit to extend the lug and a spacer. So we're thinking about 15 millimeters will make the wheel fit over this brake. So I got the wheel off. We're about to try one of these on, and I'll show you guys the spacers. Oh, Bella, look at her. She's all bald. They shed during the summer months if they're long-haired pigs. Now she's all bald. So cute. All right, so here's the spacer kit right here. I got this off of Amazon or eBay, either way. Hub centric, and it's made for the Audi A7. Okay, also got extended lugs, and it comes with the stuff to put the extended bolts into it too. So I'm not sure which one this is. This is a I got a 15 mil in the front right here. Okay, and then 20 millimeter in the back. Okay, let's see how they fit. test fit time. Oh, perfect. Okay. I could have used a 10 instead of a 15. And look at that. Just right. A little bit of poke, just like how I like it. Uh-huh. Oh, that's money. Woo! Okay, there we go. Fits just fine. That close from the brake. Okay, and it's sitting just like that. So that's perfect. The wheel just needs to be pulled, the fender just needs to be rolled and pulled a little bit. So I'm gonna roll the fenders right now. All of them. Okay, and here's what the back is gonna look like. So what you wanna do is measure, see how that looks right there. So if you're sitting flush, you're good to go. Oh yes, that's with the 20 millimeter spacer. So I'm running a 20 in the back, 15 millimeters spacer in the front. Don't think the back needs to be pulled. I'll do that later if I need to, but I pulled the front a little bit. You can see how it pokes out just slightly. And I just hit it with the rubber hammer pretty much. And on this side, you see how it's flat. All right, let's get the wheels in the car and let's go mount them on. All right, guys, we're back at it again, round 2. And now that the spacers are here and everything, we're gonna get these tires, which are kind of like an odd size. So we're gonna just have to swap these in until I get new tires. But I mean, the condition on these are pretty good. Not like my cars where it's bald. But the Tire King, once again, is gonna hook me up. Okay, he's gonna get a new shop at some point, but right now he's at this place here. But you can hit him up on Instagram, and he will get you all the fitment needs that you want. Okay, so since he has this thing off, I'm gonna be hammering this side because I didn't pull this side yet. And then we got Michelle again. What are you playing, honey?
I am.
Oh, look, she got the Animal Crossing. Look at that.
Makes
Look
me
at
so
that.
mad you go on the bridge and you can't.
What are you trying to catch?
A butterfly.
Is it bug day?
It's bug day today. Yeah, you get cool stuff. Look at. Oh my god.
Look at that thing. Oh, fail.
Ah.
Oh, she can't do it under pressure. Honey.
Yeah. No.
There he is, working his magic. Oh. Damn, those are gonna look hella good. This is why the Audi's so useful. All right.
Yes. People think we're crazy because we use it like a truck, but it's got so much space. I don't know. I still want a truck though.
What?
I still want a truck because this won't tow
Yeah,
boat.
we're gonna get a truck. We're gonna get that Cyber truck.
I don't want the Cybertruck.
Cyber truck.
That's a few years away though.
It might be next year.
I don't know.
I don't know, but then we can lower the truck
No.
and then tow my drift car with it. Yes!
Oh god, no.
That's gonna be sick. Wide body,
No.
No, too slow. Did you catch any more bugs?
I did.
Okay, never mind. Turns out we have to use the 20 millimeter in the front because it's right there on the brake. So the 15 is going in the back.
Is it gonna work?
Yeah.
This is like twice we've been here now. I'm nervous.
It works.
Small
Yeah, if you
distance
can,
between two.
well, if you can fit a piece of paper between it, you're good.
Paper.
Barely. I guess once we bolt it on, it barely clears with the 20 mil. Alright, so we got a complication. With these on the back on the 15 mil, the bolts are too long and the wheels won't move. So he's giving me smaller bolts that he has laying around, and I have to just get bigger spacers in the back if I want to run these extended bolts. Man, all kinds of trouble trying to mod these cars. We got Chapo out in the yard. Stop it, trying to eat chicken food. Okay, honey. What do you think?
I love it. It'll be nice when it's all done.
What do you mean? Oh, because the other side.
Yeah, because the other side.
There we go.
And yeah, now that they're bigger, it looks higher, huh?
It looks a little higher, but I think we're gonna keep it at this height because
Well, you have the.
you don't want to drive a lowered
I don't
car.
want to drive a lower car. No,
You know.
it's like an everyday car for me, so I can't do that.
But it
don't
looks
you
sick
have
though.
the side splitters, you said?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We put on the side splitters later. So there it is, guys. Have a look here. So this is looking super saucy. The fitment's pretty much perfect, but there's one problem. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna look so good with the splitters on. Okay.
And we gotta get this little piece. Please.
Oh, we're gonna fix it when we wrap it. So okay, right here, you guys see how this is poked out more than this side because they sold us 3 wheels with the same offset and that one wheel
How can you tell?
with a lower offset, so about 5 millimeter difference. So because of that, because it's all-wheel drive, you have to kind of make them the same, otherwise you mess up the synchros. So she's not going to be driving this for a while until I get the new spacer in, and I'm going to be getting a 15. So we ended up, it only cleared the brake on the other side with that other side's offset by using a 20 millimeter. Right here it has a 20 millimeter, but the offset's lower on this wheel. Offset meaning this part back here is longer. So we're gonna run a 15 right here, 15 in the back, a 20 right here, and a 15 right there. Then it'll be good. All right. Okay, but that's looking nice for now. Quincy, look him, look him.
I know, he's such a good boy.
Okay, honey. Car is getting better. Car is getting better.
I know, it's getting some love finally.
Yeah, oh yeah.
put your hand down. No.
I can't see.
So just stare at the sun. All right, go. She's gonna do the outro.
Okay, guys, I'm doing the outro. Check it out to see.
You can't do it?
I don't think I can do it.
Come on.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay. So just keep watching the updates. See what's going on with the Audi. It's a work in progress, but we're getting it done. Don't forget to watch, like, subscribe.
Here, let a professional do it.
Here
Okay,
we go.
All right,
Whoa.
you got
Okay.
me? All right.
Oh yeah.
Hit the screen of it.
I can't. Can you see? See,
Huh?
I can't see. You
Yeah,
gotta-
that's fine. Just get me on the shot. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. Until next time, let us know what you think about the Audi and what you think about the new wheels. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later. That's how you do it.
What he said.